English, English, English. So recently I see many creators, many new learners, many new English learners. So okay. So I'm going to start English speaking 30-day challenge in front of camera, and I'm going to post this online like YouTube. Yeah, it is the only platform where I post. So I don't know quite well. I know some things I need to speak here. I need to share my stories and many things. But many of the creators started, so that's why I also wanted to start posting on YouTube, and I started from today, and I'll post it for 30 days. I'll try to post every single day, record myself, and I will help you to speak in front of camera. I'll help you to learn English. And how can you learn English? So, this is my first day of English speaking challenge of 30 days, and I'm going to speak here in English. I will try to speak everything in English in the video, and in my life, not in life, I can't. But I don't want to stop while speaking, like humble and take long pause. I want to make myself more fluent in English, and I'll try to make you too. And I'll try to make long speaking video like 1 or 2 minutes. No, it is not that long. It could be 5 minutes. So how what should I share? I I should share that how I started learning English. Not that I started very early, not very early, but very before, but I couldn't do it. So how could you start? So yeah, the best way to start is to taking any course, to go to the class and buying a book. So I watched many playlists and I found two. First one is Kamleshwar Mastery, and there is a 60 days, 45 days, and 75 days hard challenges of English, basics to advanced. And also there is another creator, English Guru. I think English Guru, yeah, similar. And he have the same type of course for 90 days. And there is also basic to advanced. And why should you explore their channel? You know, Inguru and Mastery, yeah, Kamlesh are teaching very well in English, and they teach. They take 1 hour of classes and every day, and it will help you to gain more knowledge in English and learn very faster English in within 60 days and 45 days. And also it must be 75 days, which course you choose. It depends on that, but you must and you can learn English by learning these ways. And I also started that course. It is 75 days hard challenge. I saw many there are new courses, but I thought 75, yeah, it sounds well. So I chose it. And then I know I couldn't completed all the chapters. Yeah, I well came to 40. Yeah, and that's why I'm able to speak like this, and I'm trying to improving on it. So you can do it too. And this is my first day, and I don't know any script, know anything to what should I speak, and I couldn't choose any topic to share with you and talk with you. But I must try. I will try to talk with you and share more something about English and any many major learning things from in English. Okay, I think it quite well 5 minutes. Okay, see you in the next video and I'll try to give more knowledge in English. Bye bye.